Hi, I'm Øyvind from Represent Web Agency, and today I'm going to cover the topic of images in Sanity CMS. The most common question that I get from editors just getting into Sanity is, what size image should I upload? And the answer is the biggest one you have. You might someday in the future do something creative with Sanity. Maybe you start using it to produce catalogs or to fetch the content to display on huge screens in a retail store. Anything you can imagine, you can pull content out of Sanity and repurpose it in different contexts. So, and the storage space doesn't have any cost to speak of. I haven't seen huge images affecting the bills of any of our clients so far. So just upload the biggest one you have, and then we, in the front end where we show the content, that's where we create the different sizes and crops and formats that we need to display to the users, so that they always get the smallest or ideally sized and optimized image that loads quickly on whatever screen they're on, if it's a laptop or a mobile device, for example. And when it comes to format, generally, if it's a colorful image, use the JPEG format if you can choose. And if it's a very simple like icon with one or two colors, then PNG is often the best format. But in any case, when we display the images on the website, we convert them to a format called WebP. That can sometimes reduce the size drastically, maybe cutting off up to 90% of the kilobytes or megabytes that image originally had, and showing it way faster. So that's sizes and formats. I also want to cover image crops and hotspots. So in this example here, we have saffron. We have an image of saffron. It's square, and we have this crop icon here. So if I click that, you're going to see that, okay, so the original crop would be like this. And you have some examples here how this would look in a square format and 16:9 panorama and 3:4. So you can see that the way that we use this crop circle here and wanting to include the whole image, this is how it's going to look in these formats. If we reduce the size of this circle and the format of the circle into an oval, you could see below here that if we can allow for less of the height of the image to be shown, then we can gradually get into a format that would also cover a full panoramic view of the image. And the current focus point will not allow for this taller crop. So if we also allow for a little less of the width to show, we can ensure that all these different crops will work. And we can also move this around if we want a different focus point. Maybe we want to make sure that the top of the stack is always visible, and I can drag it to the top and see how all these different crops would look like on the website. That should cover everything. We looked at image sizes, formats, and crops, hotspots. That's basically it. Please get in touch if you have any other questions about Sanity, and we can help you out. Have a good day.